So pasta and carrots boiling. Then after the carrots, we blender, we mix sauce. They put a spicy a little. So, i-put back natin yung carrots. So, naglagay lang ako ng half tomato and masala, half teaspoon. Then, so we mix well. So, after pure that 12, so more cook.
What color are
Hot,
all
hot.
these fruits? Yeah, they're red.
Thanks
Red
for
fruit.
watching. God bless.